Today is what? Hi, Wedding day.
So do you remember?
Nag-meet kami 2008. Oo, 2008. So,
Nakilala ko kasi siya sa work, sa company, one of the trainers siya. Tapos nung umalis ako, nag-text ang lolo mo.
Till dawn. I never knew
Mindanao.
I could love someone the way that I love you. I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. Yeah, I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. I never knew, I never knew. She's coming on Friday, and then the clothes fall off, 'cause it's just minutes and highways.
You are the best father to our kids. You put us first, always, even when it costs you so much. You know me so well, sometimes better than I know myself. Kahit hindi ko sabihin, alam mo pag may problema ako.
I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. Yeah, I never knew, I never knew, no, I never knew, I never knew that I could love, that I could love, that I could love someone, that you could love, that you could love someone like me. Oh, that I could love, that I could love, that I could love someone like, that you could love someone like me.
before anything else, I thank God for this great opportunity to get married. Dati lang natin pinagdarasal ito, pero ngayon, nangyayari na sa harap ng mga importanteng tao sa buhay natin.
There were days we didn't like each other, days it was hard to love, especially when distance and sacrifice came with your duty. But at the end of the day, we still chose each other.
100 years, but I'd wait a million more for you.
Nandito ako sa harap ni Lord, sa harap mo, sa harap ng mga importanteng tao sa buhay natin, na nangangako na alagaan kita, iintindihin ka, susuportahan ka, higit sa lahat, mamahalin ka hanggang sa huling sandali ng aking paghinga.
If I had only
Nakapagsimula na kayo, meron na kayong dalawang supling. Sana pag-initin niyo pa yung pagmamahalan. Magmahalan kayo. At sana tumagal kayo habang buhay.
Ang masasabi ko lang sa mga anak ko, Patrick and Martin and Elise Postol, kung ano man ang hirap, ginawa, ups and down, sasama kayo sa anumang oras. Salamat.
But I've been living.
Napakarami na natin pinagdaanan sa relasyong ito. Nandiyan ang pagsubok na humasa at nagpatibay sa pagsasamahan at pagmamahalan natin. Hahawakan ko ang iyong kamay sa lahat ng landas na ating tatahakin. Gagawin ko ang lahat upang maging karapat-dapat sa pagmamahal na ibinibigay mo sa amin.
Every kiss is a curse of
Hello, Mama and Papa. Happy wedding po. I love you both and I'm so happy for you both po. Once again, Happy wedding po.
Happy wedding po. I love you po. I love you, Mama and Papa.
Who I've been, for who you are. Nothing makes me stronger than your fragile heart. If I had only felt how it feels to be yours, well, I would have known what I've been living for all along.
Don't speak about the past. Always speak for the future. Bilang mag-asawa, dapat ang pinag-uusapan nyo yung magandang panghinaharap, wag yung pangit na nakaraan. Dahil yung nakaraan, sabi ni Jesus, all things are passed away, all things becomes new.
I promise to stand by you wherever life and duty take us. Because you are my home, my person, and the love I will keep choosing for the rest of my life. I love you.
Well, I knew we'd tell it well with a whisper. We will tame the vicious things like a feather, bring kingdoms to their knees.
Mahal na mahal kita ngayon at magpakailanman.
Thank you for staying, and I love you.